Dante Via is powerful and intuitive software that allows you to directly connect any audio device or application on your computer to a Dante audio network. Via can pass audio between applications and devices, both over a network or on a single computer. With Via, you can create audio connections as never before, with nearly unlimited flexibility. Dante Via is the ultimate audio routing tool. Any audio interface connected to your computer can instantly be used over a network with other computers running Via or with Dante-enabled audio equipment. Audio from individual applications may also be shared over a Dante network or may be routed to other applications and interfaces. You can even connect multiple audio sources, both applications and interfaces, simultaneously to a destination, instantly mixing signals in the digital domain. In Via, all routing is done in a single convenient software application, so you don't have to move cables to create new audio configurations. Dante Via automatically discovers all of your applications and connected interfaces and groups them appropriately into audio sources and destinations. Sources are grouped into local audio devices, such as USB microphones and interfaces, PCIe sound cards, and your computer's built-in audio input. Local applications, such as iTunes, Skype, Pro Tools, or Nuendo. Via devices, other computers on the local area network that are running Dante Via. And Dante devices, which are Dante-enabled hardware devices on the network, such as mixing consoles, speakers, and amplifiers. Destinations are grouped into local audio devices, such as USB speakers, headphones, built-in output, and PCIe sound cards. Local audio applications in Windows, and virtual sound cards in Mac OS X. To send a source to a destination, just drag it and drop it on the target area in the destination column. An audio connection is instantly made between the source and the destination. When you drag a source to a destination, you can choose to replace the source that was already playing, or you may add the sources together to create a mix on the fly. You may also remove individual sources from mixes or mute them as needed. The Enable Dante checkbox allows any audio source or destination on your computer to participate with a Dante network. This means that you can send and receive audio with remote audio equipment with the ease of use and high performance of Dante audio networking. It also allows other Dante Via users on the network to connect with one another, sharing audio from a common source. When Enable Dante is deselected, the device or application is no longer available over the network. To send audio from Dante Via to a network destination such as a Dante-enabled mixing console, you must use Dante Controller, a free software application from Audinate. In the Network section of your Destinations list, you will find a convenient button to launch Dante Controller directly from Dante Via. Any Via sources or destinations for which Enable Dante is selected will appear in Dante Controller as Dante channels nested under the host computer name. Dante Via channels can be routed to other devices or applications, just like any other Dante channels. See the Dante Controller User Guide for information about using Dante Controller to route audio. In Windows, software applications won't appear in the Dante Via UI until they are actually playing or recording audio. Once an application has been identified as playing or recording audio, Dante Via remembers this setting. In OS X, recording applications such as Logic or GarageBand do not appear as destinations in the Dante Via UI. Instead, send source audio to the Dante Via 2-channel application input, which acts as a virtual audio device. Then, in the preferences for each recording application, choose Dante Via as the input source to capture audio from the 2-channel application input. You control who can listen to your sources. When someone tries to connect to one of your sources, you'll instantly receive a pop-up message asking you if it's okay. If you don't want them to listen, deny the connection. More privacy controls are available in the Preferences menu of Dante Via. When you install Dante Via, your computer's audio routing should be automatically set up exactly as it was before. If you do find that your audio routing has changed, for example, if your web browser audio is going to the wrong speakers, just change the default output device for applications in the Dante Via General Preferences. You may need to choose an appropriate wired network interface for Dante audio if you have more than one. No further configuration is required for Dante Via to work on your system. Note that closing the Dante Via window does not stop Via from running. It will continue to operate in the background and will restart automatically when you restart your computer, preserving its routing configuration. You can stop and restart the Dante Via service manually in the Dante Via Preferences. Dante Via enables and simplifies countless audio routing configurations. With Via, you can quickly and easily transmit any audio to a destination on the Dante network. For example, you could send USB microphone output from a hall or classroom to an amplifier and speakers in an overflow room. In this example, Dante Via is exposing a USB microphone to a Dante network. Dante Controller is then used to push the Via audio to a Dante-enabled amplifier in another room, allowing people to hear sound from the microphone. You can easily aggregate audio from multiple source types and send it to one or more destinations without the need for a mixing console. For example, you can simultaneously send audio from a USB sound card and a FireWire sound card to a digital audio workstation for recording. You can also send the audio workstation output to the Dante network for remote monitoring. Some audio sources, particularly consumer software applications such as iTunes or Windows Media Player, do not allow you to send audio to multiple destinations. Dante Via overcomes this limitation so you can send any audio from any application or device to multiple locations at once. This means, for example, that you could send iTunes to two separate sound cards, one for monitoring and one for amplification. Using Dante Via and Dante Controller, you can monitor individual channels on a networked multi-channel device, such as a Dante-enabled mixing console. To do this, first expose your chosen monitoring device, such as a pair of USB headphones, to the Dante network by selecting Enable Dante in the headphone's destination pane in Via. Then launch Dante Controller. Your headphones will now appear as Dante channels in Dante Controller, nested under your computer name. Using Dante Controller, you simply send individual channels from the mixing console to your headphones just like any other Dante device.